Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a zoom movement on your footage using Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. So now we're in Adobe Premiere and the first thing that we have here is a video that we're going to do the zoom effect on it. And before starting, something you might consider is when we do the zoom effect, sometimes we lose quality. So it's important to use a 4K video in a sequence of a full HD composition. So I have here a 4K video and I'm gonna create a sequence that it's full HD. So the way to do that is to right click right here and go to new item and then sequence, and then come to digital SLR and then choose the DSLR 1080 24 frames per second, and then I just press OK. And now we have created the sequence, and all we have to do is to drag our video to our sequence, and it's gonna ask us to keep the existing settings because it's a different settings to our sequence because it's a 4K video. So I'll just press keep settings, and now we have the video in our sequence, and as you guys can see, it's very zoomed in. So what we do is we go to effect control right here and bring the scale down to 50, which gives us the normal size of the video. So I have here a video of this beautiful model that we're gonna do the effect on. I chose it in the hopes of me getting more views. I hope so. I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, let's do the zoom effect. We can just make this sequence a little bit bigger so we can be able to see. So let's just zoom in here a little bit and click back on the video and go to effect controls. And the way to do the zoom effect, we're gonna use the scale, and also we might use the position as well to just adjust the composition to fit with our model movement. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a keyframe of the scale by pressing on this stopwatch kind of icon. So now we have created a scale frame right here, and we're gonna go to the end of the video, like right here, because it's very close to the model. And then I'm just gonna bring it up to till 70, for example. So as you can see, it automatically created another keyframe of the scale. So now our effect is done. So now we can see how the zoom looks. But before that, I want to create another keyframe, which is the position, so I can just adjust the headroom of the last. I'm gonna start from here. So I'm gonna press on the stopwatch right here and then go to the last keyframe right here and adjust the position to be a little bit to the down. That looks good. So now and before we play it out, let's just change the keyframes to be on the busier kind of effect, which gives it a little bit of a more smooth kind of a movement. So now we can go to the beginning of the video and we just see how the video plays. That was amazing. So what were we doing? Yeah, the zoom effect. So this is how you can do the zoom in effect. Now we can try to change it a little bit and make it, instead of zooming in, we can zoom out. So what I'm gonna do is just to delete the keyframes by just pressing on the toggle animation icon and OK, and then the same one right here, OK. And I can just reset the whole motions effect that we did by just pressing on this button right here. But we have to do a 50 on the scale so we can bring it to our full composition. So now instead of zooming in, we're gonna zoom out. So the first thing that we are going to do is to zoom into the desired zoom in scale. So I'm just gonna do it the same as 70. That is 70, and then I'm gonna press on the toggle animation icon, and now we have created a keyframe Then I'm gonna go to the end of it and then bring it back to 50. And I don't think we need to do the position keyframes because the model stays in the position in the whole time. So let's just see how it looks. That was incredible. As you guys have seen, like the model is coming in and we're doing like a zoom out effect. So it turned out to be perfectly done. And I really liked it. Not just because of the model, it's because of the beautiful effect that we were able to do in this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.